Welcome to the intriguing world of convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, the brains behind image recognition. CNNs are a type of deep learning algorithm specifically designed to process pixel data and recognize patterns in images. Let's dive into its architecture. A CNN consists of convolutional layers for detecting features, ReLU layers for nonlinear processing, pooling layers for downsampling, and fully connected layers for classification. But how do CNNs work? They take an image, break it down into features, and through multiple layers, identify patterns to recognize objects. From facial recognition to self-driving cars and medical imaging, CNNs are revolutionizing how machines understand images. Despite their power, CNNs face challenges like data privacy concerns and the need for large, diverse datasets to train effectively. Convolutional neural networks are shaping the future of image processing. Join us as we continue to explore the potentials of these incredible AI tools.